Can one prepare for UPSC if he or she is already working? If you already have a job, is it possible to prepare? Definitely it is possible. In fact, if you see the final list, you'll find that most of the people who make it to the merit list are already working somewhere, either in the some of the other services or somewhere else. So experience is very crucial when it comes to your performance in the personal interview also. Rather, I feel that it should be that way also, because once you complete your one cycle, the basic cycle of preparation, then it's more or less repetitive. So it becomes very difficult to just keep on repeating the same thing. So what you can do is you can engage something in some productive work, in some good work, which will add value to your resume also. And at the same time, you can carry on your incremental preparation, but you have to make sure that whatever you're doing does not completely drain you out, because you will need that 3-4 hours for incremental preparation every day. So that is something what you must do. Another thing is, before doing all this, before going for a job, if you are very, very serious and committed to UPSC preparation, then I would suggest that you complete your groundwork, you complete your basic preparation. That will take somewhere around 1 year, and it is best to start, if at all you are very clear of your goals and what you actually desire during your graduation. That period is the golden period, and if you start early, you can finish your basic preparation while you are going through your graduation. In fact, the best option which I feel in this preparation phase is that if one can engage themselves in that particular domain itself. When I was preparing, once I was done with my basic preparation, then I worked in coaching in Delhi, and I used to correct the answer sheets, and then it helped me a lot. And then after some time, I used to take some classes also. So it had immensely helped me, because while going through so many answer scripts, you get so many different ideas, and eventually you can accumulate them and improve your own writing skills also. And I also feel that teaching is the best way to learn something. If you want to be good at something, if you want to learn something, if you start teaching, so you have to do a very deep reading into it, and you have to work hard to understand the concepts, because you have to make somebody understand it. So that will be the best way to do it. So if you want to clear UPSC, once your basic preparation is done, and if you get an opportunity like that to be associated with such an institution, then it will be one of the best options. Other options, of course, are there, where you can take up a teaching job. There's no doubt about that. The work experience has a major value when it comes to your resume, when it comes to personal interview. If you have a detailed work experience, then most of the questions will be aimed at that. Your personality assessment will be aimed at that. Your performance will be appraised by your work, and the kind of work experience you have, in what areas you have that. The UPSC preparation cycles are pretty intense, and as I said, the first one is interesting because you are reading things, learning things, and it is enhancing your knowledge base. So it's very intriguing, and it keeps you going with full commitment and strength. But when it comes to repetition of cycles, it becomes difficult. So that is why it is very important that once you're done with preparation, you have something else also, some other avenue also where you are engaging, and then which is essentially giving you the financial stability. And in fact, it will also keep your mind balanced, and you will not have that anxiety. You will not have all those issues of pressure and other things. So that is why I feel it's an essential idea that you take up some opportunity in your next cycles of preparation. All the best.